we sent the tractor to repair, and I came back with this engine in pieces. Yeah. There's the exhaust, there's the parts, and this is the trailer box I had at the back of it. It just took everything apart. There's the battery, I don't know if it's still working. There's only one way to find out. Just get some wires on it, touch them together and see if it sparks. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, yeah, that's my trailer. Put this in the back of the other tractor and it goes very well. This is a tipping trailer also. I just got a hydraulic and put it in the back of the other tractor. Right there. And that trailer back here. And then make him tip. In pieces. This tractor is very powerful. It's got more power than you can ever imagine. Just stamp on broken glass. Clike came here, broke the plate here. Look at the plate, how many pieces are there. Yeah. I built this, but just got those wires there to hold it down from stopping the tip when I put long things on. Silly built for carrying soil and other stuff. I didn't forgot to mention the Honda I was mentioning. Look at it. Yeah, 5518, 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel steering. This tractor is a military grade. The axles and everything is heavy metal. Yeah, solid metal in there. There's no, the only tin foil you can find is those red, the external red. That's the only lightest metal you find there. Everything else is solid. It's heavy, weighs a ton almost with the engine on it. It's powerful. So it's gonna do me those tires. I have a chance gonna put chevron tires on it because our garden is too soft. I want them to go in the garden anywhere, anytime, soggy or not. It pulls everything. See, I've made that thing there for the trailer. I can move that piece of metal out, put them back in. I made this a while ago for that wood trailer. See those two things there? That was for the tipping mechanism. It worked very well when it was running. I'm gonna have to revive it. I don't want to lose this tractor. It's too valuable for me. I've got no experience whatsoever. I'm just learning as I go. Okay, so yeah, here's a tip for you. See? And these tractors, they do help me a lot. Alright folks, click, subscribe, and leave your comments and I'll reply to you. Okay?